How to create a GoDaddy account. So basically, if you want to create a GoDaddy account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to basically open your browser, then go to GoDaddy.com. Once you go to GoDaddy.com, this is the type of information that you will be able to see right here. On the top right, you can see the sign in button. But if you don't have an account, you can see new to GoDaddy, create an account option. Click on the create an account button that you would be able to find over there. Once you click on create an account button, you can choose to create an account with Facebook, Google, or your independent email address. So you can also click on continue with email. Just enter the email address that you would like to use for your GoDaddy account right over here. And you can also go ahead and then basically choose a username right here, just like this. Once done, you can also go ahead and then basically choose to enter your password. Then click on the create account button right over here. And once you've created an account, it will ask you to send a verification code to your GoDaddy email or the email that you've provided. So just log into that particular email right there. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see that email at the very top of the screen. So you might want to refresh it for a couple of times until you see it sometimes. And once you've seen the verification the email right here, copy the code, come back and paste the 6-digit code right there. And once you've done this, your particular GoDaddy account will be successfully created. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically create your GoDaddy account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.